Hi everyone. There is one truth about success that many of us is overlooked. And what is that? Consistent. Yes. Success is not about luck. Yeah. It is not about intelligence. It is not about failure. Yes. I think you must have heard about this quotation. Actually, this quotation was told by Cristiano Ronaldo. Yeah. So whatever he told in his interview, I don't remember now, is 100% right. Yeah. No matter how weak you are in study, no matter how weak you are the work you want to do, but if you practice it daily, yeah, if you make efforts every day, and you will not quit, with the time you will become good at that thing. Yes. And you may be thinking now, why I am thinking about, why I am telling you this thing. So my friend, this thing also apply in this language. When we are not able to speak this language correctly, yeah, and when we repeat the sentence, let's take one sentence here. Suppose you speak one sentence as first day, you couldn't utter it nicely, but what happens when you repeat it every single day? With the time, with 3 to 5 days later, you will begin to speak this language confidently, and while speaking you will feel very confident that sentence. So I want to say that language comes by experience. Yeah, when you repeat a sentence again and again every day, and after, with the time, you became fluent. Yeah, you became confident that sentence, and next time when you speak that sentence, you will not hesitate. Yeah, but many of us this thing ignores and don't understand it. Yes, because language comes by repetition. Think about a moment, think about this sentence, I am going. Knowingly and unknowingly you have uttered this sentence so many times, and I think this is why you you are able to speak at any moment. Yes. Why? Because you have repeated it so many times in your life. Yes. But today many of us think that I am unable to speak this language. You are unable to speak because your mind has not got used to of speaking it. Yes. When you speak a sentence a lot of times, yes, you become confident at that sentence. Yeah, and this is how we speak variety of sentence with confidence with time. But like I said, you have to speak every single day. Now I will take another example, I think, so that you can understand what I am telling you very well. Yes, I am fine. Yes, I am eating food, I am going. Knowingly and unknowingly you have spoken all this sentence so many times. I mean 100 times, and that's why whenever you speak this sentence with your friend, you are able to speak confidently. Yes. But today so many people may think, yeah, some of you may think it means you are telling us to mug up sentence. No, my dear, I'm not telling you to mug up. Yes, this is how we speak our language confidently, our native language I'm talking about. Yeah. So whatever we speak every day, I think majority of sentence are spoken by us a lot of times. Yeah, many times, and this is why we are able to speak them very confidently. My friend, think about your native language. Whenever you speak new sentences, and I mean you, whenever you speak the new situation, at that time you get stuck even your native language. Why? Because you haven't spoken that language and you are speaking that sentences first time. That is why you think I am getting stuck. But when you speak the same sentence once or 2 times, 5 times, and after that when you speak that sentence again, you will feel confidence. Yeah, so this is why, yeah, so this is the thing I wanted to make you understand. Yeah, I think you must have understood whatever I have tried to tell you. Yeah, so please believe in this thing, and one day certainly you will speak this language smoothly and you will not hesitate, because when we do a thing again and again, it settle down in our mind. Yeah, so I have taken very much time to record this video. Yes, the reason is very simple, so that you people can understood it very well. So that's all I want to speak this video, and please leave a comment, is it right or not.